Do you know what a detailed bill of particulars is and how it can affect you in a medical malpractice case in the state of New York? You don't? Come join me as I share with you that information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. When you bring a lawsuit seeking compensation for your injuries as a result of wrongdoing caused by a doctor or a hospital, shortly after you bring that lawsuit, we are going to have to prepare a document called a bill of particulars. So what is a bill of particulars? It means that we have to prepare detailed responses to the questions prepared by the defense lawyers. Why? Because they want to know exactly what it is that they're doing in this case. They want to know what the claims are in this case. What do you think was done wrong? And specifically, what injuries did you suffer as a direct result of the wrongdoing? Now, why do we do that? Well, you see, when we first start a lawsuit, we prepare a document called a summons and a complaint. Now, those are very vague and general allegations. They don't give the attorneys who represent the doctors and hospitals the details of exactly what the case is about. After the lawsuit has started and the defense attorneys have now answered the allegations on behalf of their clients, they basically send us a set of interrogatories, a set of questions that ask us, why are we here? What is it that your client is claiming? And what injuries did your client suffer as a result of the wrongdoing? So now we have to go ahead and spend a great deal of time and effort answering those specific, detailed questions. It is our obligation to show to them what it is that was done wrong and the injuries that you received as a result of the wrongdoing. If by some chance we don't provide sufficient answers to the defense attorneys based upon what they are asking for, they have the right to go to the court and say, Judge, the plaintiff's attorney, the injured victim's attorney, has failed to give us the information that we need to truly understand what it is that they're doing here. What's their claim? We want to know and we're entitled to know. And the reality is that they are. So that's why we have to spend a considerable amount of time going through that, answering the detailed questions so that now they get a clear understanding of exactly what it is was done wrong, as well as the injuries that you suffered as a direct result of that. So why do I share this with you? I share this with you just to give you an insight and an understanding in part of the litigation process that goes on in a case involving medical malpractice here in the state of New York. You know, chances are you're watching this, you probably have questions and concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is what I do every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.